Kadlaj, Shiaka Snow. Ito ang bibigyan natin ng first impression sa video ito. Okay. So, magkano nga ba si Shiaka Snow? This goes around 2,000 pesos sa Facebook Marketplace. And ang nakikita nyo ang presentation is napakaganda, napaka-elegant na kanyang box. Very simple. White mostly. Alright. And sa ilalim, meron siyang silver. And then sa gitna, meron siyang branding. And it says here, Shiaka. And then sa ilalim, Snow. And then of course may details sa likod. And meron tayong barcode sa ilalim. And manufacturing or batch code. And as well as other details about the perfume. 100 ml siya. Okay. So buksan natin. In terms of the perfume bottle itself, ang ganda. Meron siyang mga parang grip sa kanyang katawan. Alright, mostly white. And then frosted sa ilalim. Tapos meron siya ulit branding sa gitna. Nakalagay Shiaka Snow. And meron siyang Arabic font here. I don't know what it stands for, but ayun nga, meron siya doon design. And then sa ilalim, meron siyang sticker. Okay. Now, Shiaka Snow is a dupe of Louis Vuitton Meteor, right? Haven't been able to smell that perfume before, so let's go ahead and check on Fragrantica and see kung ano yung mga main accords and kanyang notes. Okay, so sabi sa Fragrantica, ang kanyang main accords ay fresh, spicy, aromatic, warm spicy, soft spicy, citrus, woody, musk, key, floral, earthy, and sweet. Okay, in terms of the notes, ano ba yung kanyang notes? Ang top notes niya ay bergamot, okay, mandarin. Pink pepper, ang kanyang middle note naman, nutmeg and neroli. And base notes is cardamom and vetiver. Alright, let's go ahead and do some testing for this perfume. Okay. Kanyang atomizer silver and kanyang spray. Test natin ngayon. Okay, dalawang spray. Tama naman yung kanyang volume na nilalabas. Okay, and yung kanyang area, tama lang din naman. Okay lang din yung kanyang spot ng pagbuga ng perfume. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a first impression. Okay, amoy na amoy mo yung bergamot and mandarin. Sabi nila amoy baby wipes. Yes, medyo amoy baby wipes nga siya sa kanyang opening. Naamoy ko rin yung pink pepper and yung neroli, nutmeg, yes, and cardamom and vetiver. Yung kanyang mga notes. Pero ang kanyang opening talaga, amoy na amoy mo yung fresh bergamot. Mandarin, yes, meron siyang brand mandarin na amoy mo talaga. This is very soothing, refreshing, and very fresh. And bagay na bagay siya sa mga instances na gabi and sa umaga, and as well as daily wear for most of us na pumapasok sa school, sa office. Yan, pwedeng gamitin to for daily use, especially this coming summer. Very refreshing yung kanyang smell, so highly recommended itong ating scent na to. I actually really like it. Again, naamoy mo kagad yung bergamot and yung orange, yung mandarin na scent, and it's very refreshing, as I said. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some testing in the next couple of days. We'll wear this perfume in the office, and then I'll let you know of its performance in terms of projection, sillage, and as well as longevity. So yan na muna ang video natin for today, and I'll get back to you soon for the proper review of Shiaka Snow. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments and suggestions, please leave them down below. Thank you so much, and bye bye.